back with a part 2 of resurrecting my 1976 Toyota Corolla. As you all saw in the last part, I took the engine out of the car and took it to the workshop और वहां जाके मुझे पता चला कि जो मेन कल्प्रिट था वो गाड़ी के मेन बेरिंग्स थे जो कि सीज हो गए थे. It took 2 whole days to be fixed और अब फाइनली गाड़ी का सारा सामान घर पे आ चुका था और ये सब मैस देख के I got a severe headache, but the damage is already done and there is no point of crying now. And the first thing to do was to fix the rings on the piston, and literally it is not an easy thing to do. It took me an hour just to fit one pair of rings on the piston and क्या करें, करना तो है. And after fighting for 2 hours with the rings for my dear life, it was finally time to fix the crankshaft itself in the block, and it was kind of easy, but it was still a lot of work because I have to turn the crankshaft every single time I put the cap on. So yeah, it was a lot of work, but alhamdulillah, I got it right. After putting all the caps, you need to make sure the crankshaft is moving freely. You don't need any kind of friction in the crankshaft.
तू मेरे से प्यार करती है या नहीं करती, ये बता दे तू बस. नहीं, मैं तेरे से लास्ट बार पूछ रहा हूँ, तेरा मेरे से प्यार है?
Now it was time to put the pistons back in the block, and it was not an easy job because I did not had the proper tool for that. So I have to modify a tool, which was a metal cutter blade, जिसे normally आरी का blade कहा जाता है, and I had to bend it a little bit to the dimensions of the pistons because इससे ज़्यादा easy मेरे पास कोई way नहीं था. And this hack was told to me by my mechanic, जिसके पास मैंने एक बहुत अरसा गुजारा है. Not working on his workshop, but अपनी गाड़ी को फिक्स करवाने जब भी मैं उसके पास जाता था तो मेरी आदत थी कि मैं उसके सर पे बैठा रहता था and see what he was doing. That is the reason behind me knowing things about cars, and the piston was in. And obviously there are a lot of videos on the YouTube which you can learn from, and the exact thing what I was doing while fitting the engine of my car. And it was this exact point जहाँ मुझे लगा कि I have messed up, so I decided to call the workshop owner जिससे मैंने गाड़ी की crank को set करवाया था. So after like a couple of minutes of talking to him, I thought I got the idea of how to get it right. If you want to see complete resurrection of the car, you can follow my YouTube channel जिसका link मेरे bio में है. And if you really appreciate the work I'm doing, you can leave a comment, like the video and share it with your friends.